Want to know how to get Windows 10 Pro for only $16? If so, stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Chad here from How To Tech, the channel dedicated to helping you take your tech to the next level. And today I'm going to be showing you how to get Windows 10 Pro for only $16 thanks to the sponsor of this video, CDKDEALS. So now let's jump over to the computer and show you how to do that. First, go to CDKDEALS.com, then at the top of the page, search for Windows 10 Pro. Select Windows 10 Pro OEM CDKey Global. Then select Buy Now to proceed to checkout, and while you're at checkout, use code HTT during the order confirmation screen to save 20% off of your Windows 10 Pro key. Next, select your preferred payment method and check out. After checking out, you will see an order confirmation screen, and then after a few seconds, you'll be moved to the My Purchased Order screen. Click on View Keys and Codes, and then click Get the Key. Copy your code, and now you're ready to activate Windows. To activate Windows, click on the Start button in the bottom left of your screen, and then select the Settings gear. Next, click at the bottom of the Settings menu, Windows isn't activated, activate now. This should take you to the Activation screen. Select the Change Product key towards the bottom of that screen, and then paste in your product key into that entry field, click Next, and then click Activate. Congrats, Windows 10 Pro is now activated and it only cost you $16. Thank you, CDKDEALS, that's pretty awesome. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be all for this video. If you enjoyed, you know what to do. Go ahead, destroy the like button, get subscribed, and then turn on those notifications if you haven't already. And big thanks to CDKDEALS for sponsoring this video. And big thanks to you guys, our viewers, our community, and the people over on Discord and everywhere else. And if you guys want to financially support us as well, we do have a membership that's now active on YouTube. All you gotta do is sign up for that. We have 2 different tiers with different features and options that you can choose from depending on how much money you wanna try to help support How To Tech with. So we really appreciate that, guys. We appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, and all the stuff that you guys do. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Chad from How To Tech, helping you take your tech to the next level, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.